Tyree and the gutter rat king. Loser. Sneeze. Bro, you turned 30 years old and you ended your 20s begging and want to be racist loser to turning your 30s into a begging, homeless, rat loser. So, bro, you ended it and you started all over again. But boy, oh boy, did you look pathetic. Just like a loser you are, you look pathetic. You look like dumb, begging for somebody to say happy birthday to you. You don't have a single friend in this world. You know why? Because you are a scumbag. And that's the only way you can truly, truly not have a friend. Is if you a scumbag or you a loser. But in your case, you're both. And to sprinkle it on top, a racist that literally trying your hardest to bite us common black folk swag. You can't rap. You can't fight. That's clearly. And top it off, you're a disgusting human. You dig up your nose like no tomorrow. You wipe it on your face. And then you beg for donations like no tomorrow. Jesus. Man, my baby girl, we counted how many times you begged somebody to call you. No. Message you on your birthday to say happy birthday. Wow. If that ain't upper management material, I don't know what is. You know, you begging. You're a good beggar. You have no. You must don't have no morals about yourself. Because who gets on YouTube? You know that same YouTube that you say, "Screw you. I don't need you. I'm Tyree. I'm Tyree." No, your butt was begging the bitch to pay you, begging you. Just now, you still saying it to this day. If they don't monetize me, they stupid. YouTube's garbage. They stupid. They don't come get me. But I don't need them. I don't even need them. I don't need them. I don't like YouTube. You know what I mean? Oh, this is a classic one though, bro. Why do you say money don't mean a thing to you? You care less about money. But your dumb self is always doing what? Getting laundry detergent. Oh, well, sorry, y'all. I was thinking something else. I'm sorry about that. Y'all, you literally, bro. I just never seen this before. Seen or heard a man that begs and pleads for donations, and you literally thought it was cute saying, if y'all wanna donate money to you, you send them to some app. What was it like? You said PayPal and so forth and something. So which one do you really want? Do you want money or do you want them to wish you a happy birthday? Because it seems like you're trying to pit people in a corner saying either you donate to me or say happy birthday to me. You understand how you did that, bro? How you do that? How you try to make people give you stuff and then try to cry about it? You literally was crying about nobody telling you happy birthday. What are you, 13? Man. Jesus Christ, great googly moly. You just do not, you just relentless with the bacon, man. God, man, you like a stage 4 clinger with these demands of bacon. 30-year-old man sitting by himself. Nobody to talk to. Nobody to freaking insult to their face, and then you'll probably get beat up. But it boils down to you being home. No. Hotel room alone. Counting your $172. Yeah. That's another thing. You say money don't mean nothing to you, blah, 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 blah. Then why do you always have to flash it in? Man, I've said this before and I'm going to keep saying it. I'm shocked that you haven't got robbed yet. Because you tell everybody where you at. You show everybody what you got. So once again, why do you not get it that 70% of people on YouTube can't stand your rat self, nose picking self, loser self, coward self, worthless wannabe? I could just go on and on with you, bro, but I'm not. Take too long. But I just don't get it, man. Well, maybe I ain't asking the right question. Hey, your rat minions, aka fans, aka followers, can't think for themselves, follow you, bro, and they still didn't wish you a happy birthday, bro. You are alone, and you are lonely, and you know it. So I'm kind of expecting probably the next day or two, Ashley's name will come up. Somehow, some way, you gonna bring her up just to call her a whore slut. But you still begging to get back with her. I don't get that. I really don't, bro. Cause you are just, you're something else, man. I ain't gonna lie, bro. You tend to just lower that bar even lower every day, bro. Keep up the good work, man. Never let nobody say you're a loser. You ain't a loser, cause you are. You are a great loser. Don't you get discouraged? None of that, cause deep down you're a good loser. So, congratulations on that. You got a good message on your birthday that you're a king of the rats. You have your rat minions, and you are a good loser. All the way around, good loser. And now you're 32? Now you're 30 now. Woo! Doors gonna be opening up for you. Prison doors, county doors, your new buddy door open, in jail. 9 times 10, his name's probably Raul or something. And he gonna tell you to drop it like it's hot. And you know what that means, loser. You got your little tramp stamp back there, which it is terrible for a man to have. And he gonna say, put your butt on that bed, and the Hummer is coming. The Hummer is coming for that butthole. And loser, you gonna get it good. You know what I mean? You gonna say, I'm from the streets, man. I'm from the streets. And you're like, yeah, you better get out there on those streets. Tyree now, because your name ain't Tyree, it's Tyree now. You a pear-shaped loser on your birthday. You had a great birthday. Congratulations, idiot.